Welcome to KWAG Family Sunday. This month's activities will introduce you to A Wave in Other Words, KWAG's latest exhibition of works from its permanent collection, and invite you to respond to the exhibition by making your own artworks inspired by those in it. This week we're looking at the various works depicting plants and flowers on the exhibition's title wall, and creating an easy styrofoam plate etching. Here's what you'll need to follow along. A piece of paper, a styrofoam plate, a pencil, a pair of scissors, a paintbrush, and any acrylic or craft paint. Start by cutting the edges off of the plate to create a flat piece of styrofoam. Use your pencil to etch an image into the plate. With your paintbrush, apply a thin layer of paint over the entire surface. Carefully lay your paper over the wet plate. While holding one corner, apply pressure across the back of the paper with your fingertips. Then carefully remove the paper to see your print. Try experimenting with different colors, different amounts of paint, and varying amounts of texture. Remember that not every print will turn out, so just keep trying until you get some that you like. Thanks for watching. Check back throughout the month for more projects inspired by A Wave in Other Words.